Sto organizzando uno spettacolo e mi serve una stella.
May I give these people better chance. What's Idogbo community. Aye berera. Soka kwana beje. Soka kwana beje. Aye o. Soka kwana beje. Ama o. Ya wane bere o. Yeah, see this one small. Everyone here say you want. Oh, fila. I'm yet to warn Abad over there. I want to give a serious warning. Make us share this video, make this video, make it reach Abad over there. Make it see this video.
May I pause this music? Yes, good evening, brothers and sisters. My name is Koboko One of Europe. I'm here to talk about Abat Obaze, the crafty boss. I'm here to give Abat a serious warning. Abat, see, one thing I want to let you know about, they say every day for the thief, one day for the owner. But I don't hear your scores, they hear your scores. As they disturb social media, they disturb everywhere. So you can't enter Ranomigo body, say na Ranomigo na you want to shine. But wetin a Ranomigo do you? And the question when I come ask you be this. Abeg viewers, when they listen to this live video when I do so, abeg make I share this video, make I let this video reach Abat. E no good when be say we go see the truth, we go dey fear to talk the truth. Say if you talk you go die, you no talk you go die. The best thing we still talk, we believe say yes, one day everybody go die. You get me? So wetin Ranomigo do Abat when be say Abat no dey let Ranomigo dey drink water put cup for ground. Ranomigo collect Abat money. When Abat no wan use it here, dey hear Ranomigo matter. At least make we reason this talk one-on-one, brothers. Make we try reason this issue. This protest when Ranomigo from America come do for Europe, na for your benefit, abi na for we the poor citizens, na our benefit. That man dey fight for himself, abi he dey fight for we the poor citizens. Because to my own belief and to my own understanding, me I believe say that man he no dey fight for himself, he dey fight for we the poor. He dey fight for we the poor Africans. In one way or the other, na that man take dey help us. But for the now we no go know say that man come help us o. But those when they get eye, when they see the work when that man dey do, and know say that man he dey help us. To me, I believe that man is doing the right thing. Abat go enter live video, he go begin dey insult that man, say that man dey chop money, that man dey embezzle money, that man wan come Europe, come fraud the poor citizen for Europe. How? Na the protest when that man dey protest for government house for Europe, na him be the fraud when he come dey fraud with the poor citizen for here, or na for our own benefit na that man dey fight for. When Abat go come outside, if Abat no get wetin he wan do, he go come outside for live video, he go dey insult Ranomigo, the mega comrade. They insult our mega comrade. Abat, see, if you not see who tell you say what you dey do no good, now maybe Koboko. I was born and brought up in Ekpoma, my guy. Thank God say me you school for Ekpoma, you know Ekpoma, guy. I not be picking when they carry hide for street. As you take believe say me you get what you know, now so that man they get what you know. All man for himself Abat. I can't use this opportunity to tell you say if you not see work do, guy enter house. Not dey use person glory take dey shine. You dey use the Ranomigo glory take dey shine Abat, and e no go better for you. You dey beat that man, you dey insult that man for nothing. That man e no collect your wife, e no collect your pikin, e no collect your money. Why you dey insult that man? Why you no dey let that man dey get peace? why you no dey allow dat man get peace about wetin dat man do you because e dey talk to Obaseki and which you yourself know say wetin Obaseki dey do Obaseki no dey try. Obaseki no wish us well. E no wish us good. Since Obaseki enter power, Abat, wetin Obaseki don fit do for Edo State? Tell me the reasonable thing wey Obaseki don fit do for Edo State when we the poor dey benefit. You dey benefit am, Abat, you dey benefit am because if you no dey benefit wetin your governor dey do, you no go dey fight for am. You no go dey fight for am. You dey come outside for live video dey talk make people dey believe you say Obaseki dey do work. Wetin Obaseki dey do? You no get sense Abat. You no get sense. Your wife machine born Abat. You go school, nothing enter your brain. You just come outside, if you just come outside, you no see wetin you talk, you just enter live video, just begin dey insult Eranamigo. You wan use Eranamigo popular Abat? You wan use Eranamigo popular? Wetin dey worry you? If dem dey fear to come outside dey talk to you, my guy, me no fear you one day, my guy. I no reason you. I no reason you Abat because me I no believe wetin you and your governor. I no believe una one day for life. I no believe una. I no believe una, my guy. Now they fuck up. Obaseki they fuck up. You yourself, now you can be the highest fool for this life, Abat. Now you be the highest fool for this life when I never see before. Because now say you the benefit for Obaseki hand. Anybody when talk about Obaseki, don't talk to your enemy, Abi. Abat, me I let you know one thing. You forget say Obaseki regime go so expire Abat o. Obaseki no go dey there forever o. No be papa throne o. No be papa throne Abat. I dey tell you, use your brain. People when they follow you, your followers when they follow you, when they no dey fit dey advise you. They clap hand for you. One thing I want to let you know about people that make parable say Otiowokan lema etiole yitiku. You dey do what you dey do, so people they laugh for you, they clap for you about you no want use your brain. You dey feel say na the right thing you dey do. By the time God go start to dey punish you, dey punish your generation, dey punish Obaseki. You will dey shout witch, you will dey shout grandmama or grandpapa or and of which now you use your hand dey dig your grave by yourself Abat. As you even big reach Abat, you no even fit shave. You go still carry your face come outside. You no fit shave, you no fit even maintain your hair. You go carry yourself come outside, dey call yourself crafty boss. My guy, you dey fail, you be fairy. You be complete fairy. They not born you, na shit they shit you throw away. You don't know yourself Abat. For you to come outside, say our mega comrade, say na money e come dey embezzle for Europe. My guy, they not born you, na shit they shit you throw away Abat. Na me dey tell you, Koboko, na me dey yarn. See, for life Abat, you not get wetin you fit do me. As far as Eranamigo, the mega comrade, the lion and the tiger, Kobe, it don't stand for freedom. It already can't give us freedom. It don't make us understand the meaning of freedom. Abat, no level for you. No level for you, my guy. Who they fear to talk, go die. Who not they fear to talk, go die. As far as you get the mind to come outside, they insult Eranamigo, you dey insult Eranamigo, say man, you dey defend your brother, Obaseki. My guy, me I no reason you. to insult you, my guy. I no fit know you before, you no know me before. You no fit find me for life on one day, my guy. If you even plan am, my guy, you go die by motor accident. You go die by motor accident. How about I dey tell you? If motor even kill you sef, better na keke napep go kill you. Keke napep don say he just stand on the hope, keke napep jam am, he no survive am. Go mark wetin you should continue for these things when you dey do so, take dey insult Eranmigo, go mark wetin I dey tell you so, na keke napep na go jam you, you go die, you no survive am. I'm giving you the last warning. That man no be your mate when you dey insult. That man come from Europe, come from America, come fight for the poor citizen worldwide. No be only Benin people that man dey fight for. No be only Edo State that man dey fight for. He's fighting for the poor citizen worldwide. Worldwide. That man don bring many awareness for true he talk when he dey talk. When Obaseki never fit do. When Obaseki never fit do. You dey praise Obaseki based on say man na your brother. You dey get from am. You dey get your own percentage from am. Anybody come outside do live video talk about say man wetin Obaseki dey do, we no like am, e no dey govern us well, e no get wetin dey do. You yourself go come outside say man which mouth you take talk am? Why you say Obaseki no dey try? Obaseki dey try na make people dey run comot for Nigeria. Obaseki dey try na make Benin finish for us. Obaseki dey try na make youth no dey Benin again. You no dey ask yourself question about. Because you dey get your own percentage for, you dey get your own court. In dey settle you, e dey regard you for the evil work wey you dey do for am. Na make you no wan make person use mouth near Obaseki abi. Na the hole when Obaseki go fall put, na the same hole you go fall put. Na one road na God go take all of una pass. When they destroy Edo State, when no want the positivity to survive for Edo State, about you go die. You go die. Go mark this one when I talk. Person go die. No, definitely yes, people go die. You not let girl who come this life no go die, but your own death, about na keke napep na go kill you about. Na horror death, na you go die. Go mark am. You dey talk make people dey laugh for you. Your viewers dey clap and follow you. They say yes, about you are right. Otiowo kan lema tiole yitiku abati. Otiowo kan lema etio yitiku about be one. About if you not get who tell you, me Koboko they tell you, guy, use your brain. Your governor no dey do well. He come Europe, come damage Benin people image for Europe here. Come talk evil against us. About you not question your brother. You not ask Obaseki say me why you comot for Benin go Europe? Go dey talk say me make dem deport people for Europe. People when they die for sea, when they bury for Europe, you reach there. You don't go. You feel as a governor. You feel buy flower as far as you don't visit the Italy. You feel visit the burial ground. You say even when you don't know am, you tell the Italian people when sign the document say me the grave owner for bury those people. I want go see am. Even when you not put flower for the grave, even when you no will do anything, but maybe you yourself go see am. You fit do am. You fit tell Obaseki say why you not go the grave, go see those people. But the money when they pay those dead people, Obaseki carry am.
No, sure Obaseki can't do.
No be sure Obaseki can do for Europe like that. No be sure Obaseki can do for Europe like that. Stealing that trick. You know, na who carry gun take thief? Na dey call am thief. Na be armed robber. Na be highway robber. Those when dey use barrow dey thief, na not dey reason dem. Like Obaseki now. Na barrow he take dey carry you. He don kind, he come Italy that day, na he sign document, he collect you, he move ahead. You yourself dey beneath there, you no wise na, you go any, you know anything, you no know anything, dey from there dey talk wetin your eye reach, talk wetin your eye no reach, make dem dey clap for you with your smelly mouth.
You think the transformer don lost?
With your smelly mouth, you dey talk rubbish, you dey insult our mega comrade.
Give her a brush.
Abat, see, for your life, as far as you get the mind to dey come outside, dey do live video take dey insult that man, my guy, you can never have peace from my hand again. I don start am this night, so I don start am, my guy. Make we carry on. Me and you will no go fit tire. I tell you, make we carry on. No, me and you will no go tire. Because that man is stand for truth. He stand for the poor. He's the poor citizen. The president of the poor citizen. Worldwide. That man, he talk about the deportation when your brother come sign. He talk about the negative when Italian people they give us. He talk about the deportation. That man talk about many things. Na so they go camp to camp. He never be president o. He never be governor o. The man now dey use his own, as in, dey use his own mind to make sure say we the poor citizens we know our right.
Tell about me go pay 300 for a boy wey buy last week.
To make sure say we ourselves, we the poor citizens, we know where they pain us. But if person come outside talk about say Obaseki no good, you go come outside with your smelly mouth dey talk say Eranomi go come Europe, you wan come dey give people money. Wetin dey worry you about? You no get sense.
I go pay for a boy wey buy.
Na so you fit take follow John Osaje. You follow John Osaje, see how say that one pass you. That one pass you 100%. He pass you, even pass the governor Obaseki, you withdraw. You say na Eranomi. Now you want come take shine. Eranomi don't pass you 100% about. Who you don't pass Eranomi don't pass you don't pass you. You not get wetin you want talk when you want bring that man down. You and your viewer when the class follow you and my guy na the same road na all of una go pass. Go mark this one when I tell you so. Na the same road you and your viewers go pass. About.
But when they give her a charity, no dey spend.
About you not get sense. What do you say Eranomi go do you now? Tell me one particular thing now when Eranomi go do. When you take the follow am nyash to nyash. Okay, now the work when he come dey do for Europe now you say may he not do again now. If that man not do, who wan do am for us? If that man not help us, who wan help us? Obaseki your governor, he come Europe. Wetin he come fit do for Europe when he come? Which reasonable thing he with his speakers come do for Europe?
Like check my man.
You go just sit down for your room, just smoke igbo, drink alcohol, drink. At the end of the day, you go come outside, come begin the vomit poto for mouth. Open your gutter, the yanu pata. They vomit rubbish for your gutter. Obaseki, you are not bad. Now God na go punish you now. Ogunba na go kill now. Ogunba na go kill now. As now say na no wan give PFM freedom freedom can never locate una. Anything good no go near una. Abat. You say your governor, he put work for Benin. Boys dey work dey Benin, make boys dey work. Boys not dey the Benin. Which work you okay? First of all, before me go dey talk about the boys when dey Benin, which work you dey work about? Which government work you dey work? Eh? You no be scam. You no be scam. You no be internet fraudster about. You no be internet fraudster. You when they talk person matter, you know they reason yourself. You know they reason yourself. Before you they reason person, you know they reason yourself. Where you for see money to build house? Which person, which place you for work when you forget money to build house? About where you for work? Abeg, I challenge you this night about for me to dey believe wetin you dey talk. If you fit come outside tell me say man, okay, see where I for work when I take get money to build my house. See the company when I for work, when government pay me, when I take build my house, when I take dey do my things. I will clap for you. I know say me yes, your hair really dey gay. You no work, government no pay you, you no receive monthly salary take build house. No be how you take build house. EFCC not dey Benin for them too. EFCC not dey Benin. They don't observe you. They don't observe you. They don't investigate you. SARS not dey Benin. They don't investigate you. If na see people wey come for Europe, no say make SARS go hold am. Say na human trafficker. Na human trafficking they do. Eh? If your old boy collect money, no wanna be your papa or wanna be your Obaseki, now call police for their body. Who come for Europe? If na the first year to collect money for a hand, now say na human trafficking. Now the person they do for Europe. Now say na human trafficking, now the person they do for Europe. But now you know they get sense about. You know your wife machine born. I can ask you this question just now. Your wife machine born about. Now Igbo they use you. Not let you they smoke the Igbo.
They pay for a boy they smoke.
Not let you they smoke the Igbo. You they talk, maybe they laugh for you, maybe they laugh for you. Your followers go they laugh for you. They clap for you. They write useless comments. What did they worry on yourself? But what did they worry on now? What did they not the reason say man, this man not be your self-interest, they fight for the poor. For you to come outside they praise that man, say man, yes, now this kind of man I will suppose put as president. Now this kind of man I will suppose put as governor. We suppose rule governors for Edo State, which is our mega comrade. For you to the present, you they begin the sort am for the good work when they do for us. Your brother when be governor, he no even resemble governor. He be like farmer. Farmer even better pass Obaseki. Farmer who they go farm, tell he black from his head to his toe.
He rust.
Condemn element. Now be Obaseki. Obaseki is a condemned element. The money, the body when they able to chop Nigeria, Edo State money, the body when they chop Edo State money put, we not the see am. We not the see am. How we take see am when just use our money smoke cookie finish? They fuck all those underage.
All he had gay gallop.
All he had get gallop. Cookie those screws for cookie those screws he had.
Benito, Abuja Road.
Eh? Cookie don't finish your governor. You know the reason. Anything wey come for a man, na him dey do.
Yeah, be like express food.
You now when say Obaseki matter, na him go kill you. Obaseki don fit give us good road. Obaseki don fit give us taban light. Say yes, say since Obaseki enter for like 3 months, NEPA no see light.
Even maybe 1 week.
3 months even too big. Say, let me say 1 week. Obaseki don since Obaseki enter power. We don't think I just say don't get light for like 1 week. Say yes, say 1 week. Light just day constant for 1 week, from Monday to Sunday. Say they no see the light.
Maybe God bless all of me with daughter where they come from, no there for grant. Christmas.
Huh? You know they even dey tell Obaseki say me Obaseki our governor, since you enter power, we never see reasonable thing what you don't do for us. So we never see am. Why? Wetin dey happen? When Oshomole enter, we know say for Oshomole first tenure, Oshomole try. And he try. Although the second tenure, he still embezzle us, put us for Egbese. He come put the person when he go dey control. Put your house boy. The house boy wey no get safe for mouth. Zombie. Na be Obaseki. Obaseki na big zombie. But if you no know, for today, no, now say me Obaseki na zombie. Now you, Abat, now you come be the highest zombie. When no know a left, you no know a right. You don't know your left, you don't know your right. You go see good, you go the banner. My guy, you can never see freedom for life.
Oh God, boy.
Freedom, you no go know what they call am freedom. You never go get pikin now. You never go get pikin now. If you not change for these things what you dey do, as you not take get freedom, your children no go get freedom. All these things when you dey do now, you dey feel them, you dey do am no level. My guy, level dey. When the time go come, you know say me yes, level dey. You think na the one wey you dey talk for Benin there so? You dey inside your room, dey inside your room, dey do live video, dey talk say nobody reach you. My guy, see, time dey come, all those your property you go sell am. Go mark wetin I dey tell you so. You go run, that Benin no go tell you about.
New York meet here before Italy. Boys come out now.
They pray make anything not happen for Italy, my guy. If things happen for Italy, boys come out, my guy, they will offend you. Boys dey when they paro. Didn't everybody get the time to come outside for live video? They do live video as me tell they talk to you so. Those when they paro,